Amazing.
Right, you know, bro, you know, so the pandemic can get worse, huh? So right now we have to go meet everybody, get everybody together, and get them in the bunker, and make them know where we're going. We have to go get some extra food and some extra cash.
Yeah.
Because everything has changed right, you know. You understand me?
Yeah, you know. Me have a couple stash, we lock off.
Yeah.
I go pick them up.
Yeah.
And everything up. Now I just start running to people and visit.
Alright.
That's the only thing there right now.
So just get your phone, call who you have to call.
Yeah.
We go get everybody in the bunker. We go make them know where we're going. You understand me? I say, cause them
I'm starting right now.
Alright, my general. So let's come over in.
Yo, watch out. Do the right thing.
Do the right thing, bless up. Yes, my people, so like as you know, we are here and you don't know Tony is the man for the mission, so he's gonna tell you a little, give you some information.
It's very dangerous. People have been dying from it and they're trying to force it on us and telling us that that's the right way. But right now we have to just stay undercover right now and just do this for the moment until we find another plan or some other ways to, you know, to go back to normal life. And right now the vaccine is not the way, so that's the
get
thing right now.
As much cash as you can and food, and we all meet in the bunker at 18.2.
Hello? I've just had an email through saying that Naomi's gone missing with the COVID-19 vaccine. Shut the borders down now. Let me email Germany really quickly. Oh, this is an emergency.
Okay, just call the bank. Everything will be alright.
I know Naomi has a plan to sell this antidote as well as the vaccine. I really can't have her traveling right now. I need to shut down her bank account. International banking. Online banking. Germany. Let's enter her account information to see if we can get in. Transaction stopped.
International Bank of Germany. Hello, lady. Yes. Hello, William's my name. I just went to the cash machine and I couldn't pick up some money, and I wanted to ask if I can come to the bank to get some money. I really need it, like, right now. No, it's not possible to get money from the bank without a vaccine. Oh, please. It's not my decision, it's from the government, a new law. Yeah. Okay. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so now even to get a little bit of money, I have to do this fucking vaccine. Okay, wait for this.
What's up?
Miss Williams, we're gonna take you to the office. The government needs you.
What you want to take her? For what? She don't want to go. Listen, I won't let that happen, okay?
Okay. We're gonna see you.
called King.
My phone is vibrating. Who's calling? Who is this? Naomi? Wonder what's the problem now. Hello, Naomi, what's up?
They are still following me.
Okay, they're following you? This is very strange.
I think I have to tell you like the real reason why they are following me. You know, I have the blueprint for the vaccine.
Oh, you never tell me that. That's very serious. I was wondering why these guys tracing you.
Yeah, that's the reason why they are following me. You really need to do something. I don't know what they can do to me.
Let's meet up and talk. We have to talk about this. We have to discuss this. Yes. And we have to talk about where you could go and stay. Okay?
Okay. Okay, good.
Alright, see you in a bit. Yeah, at least in 20 minutes. Bye. Oh, Naomi, she have the blueprint.
Yo, what go on, my general, come in.
What going on, man? Please chap Montana.
Where are you? Yo, see it you know, a pandemic we are fight against, you know, Babylon a try, you see me? Destroy life itself, you see me? You know, say we used to burn Rome, you know, we are children of Israel, you see me?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Where you come from?
You come from Gambia.
Oh, Africa, Mama Africa, give
Yes.
thanks, you know, Mother Earth, blessed love, you know, give thanks to life, son, and daughter. Do the right thing. Chop, chop, chop.
Gotta get something at the shop.
Stop, sir.
Why?
You can only enter with the vaccine.
But I don't got a crazy this fucking pandemic, yo, this shit.
This is her apartment. That's what the landlord said.
Let's break inside.
We need to get the blueprint. We need to find the blueprint.
Alright.
What happened with my sister? Fuck, she crying on telephone. She come to me. Fuck, it's not good. It's not good. But it's okay. I'm here for you. Hey. What happened? I don't even know where to start. Let me tell you inside. Okay, come on. Thank you. But I'm so shocked. Tell me and you cry. You cannot imagine what was happening with us. Yeah? What happened?
The fuck?
Is your door always open?
It's open. My door, it's open.
Did you forget to close it?
No!
Shit. What?
I don't know what happened here.
Okay.
Which
Huh? No.
No.
Okay, sis, I have to explain you something. I'm very sorry that I bring some problems here.
Which problems? I don't know.
We have to call King. We have to call King.
I'm not
now.
understand what has happened here.
There are some
My
guys
door
there.
is open. My.
We have to
Everything
go.
is-
We have to
is
go.
dirty.
We have to call King. There are some
Which
guys
King?
that are
What?
following me. Just a second. King. Everything was King. Yeah. No, it's not fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm at the house of my sister, and they were here. The whole apartment. The door was open, and or they were looking for the blueprint or something. They know where we are, and I'm afraid that they could do something worse than this. Please, can we meet? Can you do something?
Yes, Naomi, I know you are worried, but the blueprint is in my hand, it's in safe hand. I hide it away in our private bunker. And also, don't worry, because I'm going to take care of you and your sister Candy. I have to talk to Tony, and we have to bring you to our private bunker. It's very safe there, and nobody will find you.
You know what they are able to do.
I know what they're able to do. Don't worry about them. Everything is going to be fine. And now we're going to tell Candy the same thing. Okay? Believe in me, and we're going to make it work. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Where's my telephone? Let's see if I get some money. Hello? Yeah. Yes. This is King. Yeah, I'm just calling to the bank to see if I could come and pick up some money, because I was at the cash machine and they didn't allow me to pick up any money, and my brother was also there and he couldn't pick up any money either. So I was just wondering if I could. What? I can't get any money without this vaccine? Hey, this is crazy. The bank, they just told me I can't get any money without the vaccine. This is absolutely crazy. I really like, yo, let me call Tony.
They freeze my account. They freeze my account, bro. No money. They freeze my damn account.
May I come? May I wash my hand? Walk one, bro. How are you? Bro. Yeah, brother, I know you already say it's strict law that we don't bring anybody inside the bunker and stuff, but I meet a girl, Naomi, and her sister is Candy, and I'm telling you, bro, these are good people. You understand?
No, bro. No, we can't bring nobody to the bunker, bro. It's not safe. We can't bring nobody there.
I know we said that, but listen, I was trying to send her to her sister's house, and when they got there, the house was torn apart.
It's too risky. We can't use one person and let the whole thing get busted, bro.
Please, bro, believe me.
Bro.
I saw her 2 times, and there were 2 men with guns behind her, bro. I have to act like I have a gun. It's not safe.
So what do they want with her?
I don't know what they want. That's what I'm trying to find out.
Yeah, no, but we can't bring her heat on us, bro, because if we bring her around us, bro, then sooner or later, people are going to be starting around our bunker, bro. And we don't want that, bro.
You're right, bro. You're right. I have to talk to her.
We have to get some other help for her, but not in the bunker, bro.
Okay, bro. Okay. I understand. Bless up.
Don't know when I go say it right now. We have to remember all of them Plandemic and all of them things in Babylon again. We have to remember, say, from day one, where the children of Israel, and you notice them steal with identity. Look at Africa, the richest land, richest continent, have the poorest economy. Everybody has suffered and dead like a junker down there. You see me? So Babylon plan from day one, I steal the Plandemic with them from day one, you see me? I go and see them, you see me? So the people them have to just wise up and know, say, yo, don't take them don't make them juke with some injection when they don't know why not, you understand? Because at the end of the day, if you're going to make somebody juke with a needle and you don't know why not, juke and dead God go with them, you know, go, you see me? Yeah, but you don't know a certain come down, you see me? So you have to just wise up and remember, so we have to live for a little youth at the same speed, you see me? Yeah, man, right thing, man.
Who that?
Me, Tony.
Tony? January, bro, was looking for you the whole time. What?
Told you,
Food?
bro.
Where were you, bro?
I get things done, bro.
Bro, this crazy amount of stuff. Where do you get all these stuff without money?
I find a way, bro. I told you, bro.
Oh, you're a guy.
People got to eat, bro.
You're a hero, bro. You're a savior, bro.
Yeah, bro, let's get
Thanks
this
so
done,
much, bro. 3 days I've been here fretting. Everybody's wondering where you were, bro. We were calling everywhere. We were so
bro.
worried.
I'm just out there getting things done, bro, you know?
Yeah, bro. Your mother
gotta
was
eat, bro.
calling from the state.
Bro, I'm
You
just so
understand?
tired, you know? I just need to get some rest right now, bro. Like, I'm tired, bro.
Okay, bro. We have to talk tomorrow when you wait, brother. This is very serious. Get some rest. I'm gonna leave you now. Yo, so let's come on. Get some rest, okay?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. January, I don't know why Tony do all this. I don't know where he was. I don't know where he get all this food. This is crazy. I have to check him. I wonder if he take the vaccine. I gotta check him. I don't believe. I don't believe where is one of these goodies. I think there must be something wrong. Bro, you really go and take the vaccine behind my back without telling me, bro? I know we need food, bro. We need money.
I had to do it, bro. I had to do it, bro. I had to get the vaccine to save us, bro.
To save us. So you did all of this for us?
Yeah, bro. I did all this for us, bro.
It's crazy, bro. Telling you. I don't know what's gonna happen to you after this, bro. Right now, you know you're my only brother. I'm
just
crying in
gonna
my
see
heart
what's
already.
happening, bro. But I had to do it, bro. We couldn't die for hunger, bro. I couldn't let all of us go down, bro. One of us had to get in the system, you know?
For respect, bro. I'm telling you.
So it is,
I never
bro.
expect that from you, brother.
Bro, right, bro. I'm
But
tired,
be a
bro.
man,
Like,
you stand for the family.
since I take this, bro, man.
I was wondering why you're sleeping so the whole day, the whole night. You understand?
I'm very dizzy, bro. Like.
So you think I should call a doctor, or
No,
maybe
bro.
Naomi knows something because she was the one who
Call
helped me
Naomi,
to
bro.
build. Yeah, I'm gonna
I think
ask
you
her.
need to call
I'm gonna
Naomi.
find out if there's any way we can help you. Okay?
Call Naomi, bro.
Alright, bro. Get some more rest, man.
Okay, bro.
Bless us.
Respect. Okay.
Yeah, Naomi, I bring a little bottle for you. I know you're in stress, and right now I'm in a lot of stress. My head is hurting. you know, I just have one brother, and that is Tony.
Yeah.
And he go away, he bring a lot of food for us and a lot of cash. And when I check it, he take the vaccine. I saw it on his hand. He take the vaccine. Yeah, he take the vaccine.
For what? Why?
Because he need to get us food. He said he's trying to save us. Because the food in the bunker, it almost run out. But I know you're the only person who can give me some information about that vaccine and even help me to cure him. Is there a way?
Okay.
Is he gonna die?
No. Okay. No. It's okay. It's not that bad. The bag which I gave you with the blueprint.
Yes.
There's some antidote in it, so he's not gonna die. It's fine. Yeah.
So the liquid thing I saw inside of the
Yeah.
bag is the antidote.
Yeah, there is an antidote.
How much of it should I give him? Like a spoonful or a glassful?
Yeah, but there is a text
Measured.
that's written.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
just have
so
to
much.
watch,
Thank you
okay?
so much. Oh, you saved me. You saved me. You saved
no
me.
problem. It's
Bye
okay.
bye. Okay.
I think Naomi gave you the wrong blueprint for the vaccine. She has the right one. She needs to give it to the government so they don't kill her family. Yeah. It's a big exchange that's going on for the vaccine. Okay, and just want to let you know. All right, bye.
So no, I don't know. Everything is so crazy. Let me call Tony here. Yeah, hello Tony. Yeah, man. Bro, everything is so crazy right now. I just get a call from the government office. These two guys who were running behind Naomi, they just let me know that the blueprint we have is the wrong one, you know. It was a fake. No. Naomi, she's not wicked. She's not evil, bro. Yeah. She have to keep the right one because the Chinese government, they have her family. Yes, and the only way she get back her family if she bring them the blueprint. So, bro, it's crazy here. It's really crazy. Yes, I'm gonna leave for a few days. So when I'm back, we're gonna talk about everything. I'm trying to reach Naomi also, and I can't reach her. I tried to call her sister Candy. I can't reach any of them. Yes. Okay, brother. Take care of yourself. Yes, be good. Yeah, we're gonna link up, yeah? Alright, bro. Yeah, man. Look more, Zin. Bless up. Shop. Why?
You can only enter with a vaccine.
I don't got a vaccine pass and I need something in the shop.
So you can enter.
What? This is crazy, this fucking pandemic, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know the Rasta man, them a say fi burn rum. When a chopper ya step in, Babylon a burn down. Did I go chan it one a way, but them made a roll out. You see me? We heart a fi pure and clean. Babylon, you dig a hole for your own falling. Issue drugs and guns will make you no plant weed. The trees bear fruit for life children needs. You build up the west while you break down the east with your bombs and your guns and your drugs and this. Easy Babylon, burn rum. Nice Trap Boss representing MSC TV, you see me? Tell Babylon stop pre-way, you see me? Yeah man, free waterway, get out of life son and life daughter way, you see me? Burn rum.
Bam bam, you're done now. This is Gusa the Thunder represent. Watch it out, check out. See, we are the topic, better than COVID. Money in the pocket, every day we go and spend it. Goldman bullet, gunman dig it. Man a artist, none stop my way.